All right, guys, this is hackthisSite.org, and it is the Capture the Flag platform. This is where you'll be presented with different challenges, security challenges that you need to solve. First things first, sign up. You'll find the login or register tab just on the left-hand side. So you want to click on register just here, and you have to put in all of these details. Your username. Your username could be anything. So anything 2029, and I can use a strong password from here and a secret question. Of course, I'm going to change that password, so don't think that will be my password. So you can have a secret question. I'm not sure if that is important. And you might need an email address. I want to use a temp mail. So I can just go to a temporary mail to use that to sign up. I don't want to use my personal email address. This is advisable in some cases. Okay, so that mail is where you can generate a disposable mail. So if you don't want to register on the platform with your email address, but kindly note that once you use it once, you might not be able to get access to it again. So I'm copying that. So that's the email address I've been provided with, and I want to pass that in just like this. They want me to confirm my email address. I'll do that. Agree to terms of service. I'm not sure if the secret questions are important. Let me just say a secret question. What is my favorite team? Of course, Arsenal. Another secret question. What's my best meal? Okay. Oh, this is a secret answer, correct? Secret answer, case sensitive. Uh, okay, I think I have to repeat that. And so here, image validation, I have to input the image I'm seeing below. It's 40B AUYNM. So is not case sensitive. You can register, saved. So congrats. Now I've been able to sign up on actthissite.org, and I'm going to be signing in with my username and my password. I'll just click on login. Username, anything does not exist. We'd like to register this username. So most likely an email has been sent to us, which is us. So an email would have been sent to you, and probably this would be what we need to use to activate. So either your registration to act the site is almost complete. So finish registering, follow this URL. So I'll click on the URL, and it takes us here, accounts email confirmation. It has been confirmed, and I can now log in. Good. Now I'm now logged in, and you see that I'm signed in as anything 2029, hello, anything 2029, and you have all of these different challenges. So I advise that you start with this basic challenge. You want to click on that. Now it takes you through these challenges. You have basic 1 up to, I think, basic 10. They're about basic 11. And you want to start with basic 1. So this is how you register for ACK this site. And you can always come back here to always check the solution for um, each questions and each security challenges. I hope this helps to see you guys on the next video. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends.